Modern American warfare has changed dramatically. In recent years, the Air Force has trained more drone pilots than conventional pilots, and the Pentagon is increasingly relying on drones to fight wars and terrorism overseas. Now, these unmanned aerial vehicles, called UAVs, offer many clear advantages to conventional forces. They're more precise and relatively cheap to operate, all done from thousands of miles away with crews safely on the ground. Now, new UAVs are constantly under development, and Oklahoma State University is leading the nation in developing the engineers who will design these craft. Joining me now is our Andy Barth.
Well, Rob, students at OSU are giving a whole new meaning to model airplanes. Aerospace engineering students designed and built planes for the Speedfest competition, which is just a stepping stone to an aviation career.
These aren't your ordinary model airplanes. They're carefully designed and engineered over the course of 14 weeks.
It's been a really busy semester, not much sleep.
Andrew Austin is the team leader for OSU's black team and says the Speedfest is more than a competition.
Lets you get a perspective of how things get put together as far as composites. That's kind of where the aircraft industry is going right now. More and more components on airplanes are being built out of composite material, carbon fiber, fiberglass, whatever. And kind of let you know how things go together, so whenever you design it, you're not going at it blindly.
Once the basic models are done, it's out to the runway to see what happens.
We started test flying about the beginning of March, and about once a week since then, on the weekends usually. We'll go out, we'll get to fly about 4 different times before it gets too dark. The flight days have been kind of to test out our propulsion systems. We haven't really had many structural issues, mostly dialing in the propulsion systems, figuring out which propeller to use, what speed to run at.
A semester's worth of work, coming down to 2 minutes, with varying degrees of success.
It's basically a vertical takeoff pylon race competition. We'll run for 2 minutes, and then after that we have to deploy a banner. We're going to fly around, do the pylon racing, and then after that we have to do 1 lap with a banner, and the banner's just gonna, this will get retracted back in flight, and the banner will come out and it'll be trailing behind the aircraft. Then we can come in and land. It's see whoever gets the most laps.
Altogether, 13 teams competed in the competition, with 3 college teams and 10 high school teams, some doing better than others. And according to Oklahoma State University President Burns Hargis, success or failure is still all a part of the learning experience.
It really is a real-world experience of the theory that our students are learning. It's so much better when you have hands-on experience doing what you've just been taught, and that's exactly what this does.
And Hargis says he hopes programs like this attracts future cowboys.
Well, we're very proud of our aeronautical engineering area and the unmanned aerial systems that we're, I think, really a national leader in. And therefore, it certainly highlights the excellence that goes on at this university. And we want to grow that. And so we think great students and great faculty will be attracted to this whole program. And our competitive wins in design, build, and fly, I think, just punctuate that whole emphasis that we have.
Taking to the skies while earning an education.
Now, the black team took 2nd place overall, but lost to their OSU counterparts, the OSU orange team.
So let's talk job prospects. What type of careers can these young people look forward to?
Well, Rob, these students are going to be traveling nationwide for a variety of different careers. Some students will be working for a national headquarters for airlines, while other students are going to be going into the U.S. Air Force. But either way, they're going to be in high demand for their skills.
All right, certainly sounds like an exciting job to have. Thanks so much, Andy.
You're welcome, Rob.